We're out in Jupiter Farms and we have listed a one-of-a-kind property, just over 5,500 square feet and just under 5 acres.
We have a detached garage that's 700 square feet AC'd, a fully stocked pond, and amazing space to create your own dream barn.
Come on inside, we have so much more to show you. With an open split concept, you have 2 offices in the front of the home and this amazing kitchen that was fully remodeled in 2020. On the south wing of the home, you have all the space you need in this living room. With a cabana bath off the side and down the hall, you will find 4 additional bedrooms and 2 additional bathrooms.
And on the north wing of the house, we have a spacious primary suite that leads to a spa-like bathroom.
Went under complete renovation in 2022 where they added this massive saltwater swimming pool. Nikki, what you got over there?
We've got great space for your summer kitchen and it's all fully enclosed so you can enjoy this area all year long.
Scheduling a private showing of this home?
Contact the Wolfe team today.